In today's video, I am going to show you how to use KineMaster to edit your videos. Yes, we are not going to touch on every feature, but we'll show you how everything you need to edit your videos perfectly on KineMaster. Let's go. The first thing you want to do when you're in KineMaster is create a new project. And you can do that by touching on here. Just touch on create new. Select the aspect ratio and photo display mode. I will choose fit, and in the aspect ratio I'll keep it 16:9. Then all you have to do now is import your footage. Select the folder you want, so I'll just choose a random video, and bam, you have it in your timeline. And what you want to do now is to long press on here and move to the beginning. All you want to do now is to cut and splice and remove all the mistakes. You can do that by selecting, touching on the head and dragging. And here you can cut out all you want to cut out. Or go to the specific place that you want to cut. Select on this scissors icon. And here you can split at play ahead, trim to right or trim to left. If you trim to right, this is where it will cut everything to the left. And now you can do that and remove everything. If you split at play ahead, it will make a cut in between. And here you can edit as well. So now go cut out all you want to cut, remove the mistakes and come back. The next thing you want to do after cutting out all the mistakes is add any B-roll or overlay footage. You can do that by touching on here layer, touching on text, and bam, you can add anything. So just write text, touch on it to resize it by touching on the corner right here, touch on this A icon and choose any, and you should from here you can choose any fonts. You can also get more fonts by going to the asset store of KineMaster, which we'll touch on later in this video. So bam, you can touch on this place and choose the color. You can touch on it. You can add an inner animation by touching on here and choosing something. And you can also add an out animation by touching on here. And here you can add a glow effect to it. Choose the color glow or gold green. You can choose this. You can increase the spread and the size. And here you can also add a background by touching on here. Enable. Touch on this icon here. You can increase the opacity and choose a color. After you've added all the text in your videos, the next thing you want to do is add a music or sound effects. So by touching on audio, go into folders and you choose the folder that you want. I'll just add this around the world. It is now in my timeline. And what I want to do now is touch on it, touch on this volume icon right here, and adjust the volume. So I'll keep it around 10. And now the audio is in my video. Now what you want to do now is adjust the volume of your video by touch on it, touch on the audio icon, and here you can drag the volume up and down and choose and edit the pitch. So the lower the pitch is, the more louder your voice is, or I will say the more deeper it goes. And now what you want to do now is color correct. Just touch on the video, come to adjustments, and here you can choose change the brightness, the contrast, saturation, vibrance, temperature, highlights, shadows, gain, gamma. You keep this low, Just add any color grading that you want to do. Next up, you want to save and export your video. By touching on here, you choose the frame rate and resolution. I do recommend keeping it at 720. If your phone supports 4K, you can export at 4K. And if you want to do YouTube videos, 24 frame rate is what is used in movies, 25 is mostly used for news, and 30 is for home videos. By just touching on save, you can save the video on your phone. So just touch on it and you can also cancel. I hope you get value out of this video. If you do, give the video a big thumbs up so I can create more videos. Comment down below what video do you want next on this channel. And also subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. And the subscribe button is also shiny. Don't you want to touch on things that are shiny?